in partnership with Walmart. Yes, honey, Walmart Fashion is your one-stop shop for lounge wear, cold weather wear, workout wear, just anything you can imagine. So definitely stay tuned and check out a few different winter, late fall appropriate looks that I picked up on Walmart.com. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications. Your girl's gonna be here a little bit more frequently uploading some videos. Admittedly, I've shopped Walmart clothing for my children. I definitely hit up Walmart, as you've seen either here on the blog or here on YouTube, for makeup, perfume, all of that stuff. But I haven't really been dabbling in so much for fashion. So when Walmart reached out with me for this collaboration, I was like, okay, let's see what's popping. Because I am so obsessed with sweaters right now, like cardigans, oversized, like that's sort of the look that I'm into right now. Probably because I'm home 99.9% of the time and I just want to be comfortable. So let's go ahead and jump right in. First up is this sort of orange rusty colored cardigan. It has balloon sleeves, super duper cute. I picked it up in 3 colors, honey. Yes, so let me show you how I styled it a few different ways with the different colors. So first up, obviously you saw this rust. I threw on a turtleneck, some chunky necklaces, some hoop earrings, distressed jeans, combat boots, and kept it pushing. Super affordable, super soft and comfortable. Honey, listen, this sweater is a keeper. I also bought it in black. So you see here in black, I styled it very similarly, kept the combat boots, threw on a t-shirt, some chunky jewelry, kept it pushing. And then last up, I paired a camel beige colored one. I paired that one with just a denim chambray shirt, some black jeans, and these boots, these little bitty boots here, these little snakeskin boots, aren't these cute, these booties? Hello? I bought those at Walmart too, honey. I saw these, I was like, oh, this is cute. Okay. Next up, I also picked up this big fluffy turtleneck sweater. I think I bought it in a medium. Just so you have a reference point here for sizing. I am 5'2", I'm about 125 pounds. I need to lose some weight, yeah. I'm already packing on the quarantine. I lost all this weight and then I'm picking it back up. Whew, child. Just so you know, I'm not a tall girl, I'm not a big girl, so I'm usually in the small to extra small to medium sizing, depending upon like how big I want something to be. So this sweater here, I just paired it with a white button-down shirt. I threw on some high-waist baggy jeans, some boots, a puffy coat. Baby, listen, cute at the Walmart. Again, links, if I haven't mentioned it, links are gonna be below in the description box, right? So I bought this cute little sweater set, right? It's loungewear, but it's sweater. This is the Sofia Vergara collection that's unique to Walmart. This outfit is super cute. I've been into sweater, like knit loungewear. Again, soft, comfortable. I'm home all the time and still cute. If you need to throw it on and go somewhere real quick, it's still cute. Okay? So I got that, and then I bought like this sweatsuit set. But these cute sneakers too. Also, from the Walmart. Hello? So listen, honey, we're gearing up to be, you know, inside a lot and it's cold and that's not fun. But I still feel like we can mix it up with some fashions, honey. We're still going out a little bit. Some of us are actually going into work, maybe on reduced schedules, but you still gotta put something on, and clothes just makes me feel happy. And I just like to be creative and have fun and yeah, not overthink it. And this stuff is easy, cute, staple stuff you're gonna use. I didn't buy anything here that was super trendy. It's stuff that I'm gonna be wearing next year and the year after. So I'm super happy with my purchases. Y'all, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the notifications. You leave some comments. You leave me some love. You see me on Instagram. You see me on Pinterest. You see me on Facebook. I'm around. Thanks so much for tuning in, and let me know what you think of these looks. Which one is your favorite? And I'll see y'all soon.